Hi everyone, it's Manfredini, Ace's home expert. We're going to talk about gutting a pumpkin before you go ahead and carving it by using a paint mixer on the end of a cordless drill. It's one of my favorite times of year. I love the fall and I love decorating pumpkins and cooking pumpkin seeds. That'll be a different video. I've gone ahead and cut the top off of my pumpkin. Then when you look inside there, right, you got all that goo there that you need to get out. And there's good pumpkin seeds, but you want to clean it out so you can put a candle in there or some type of battery operated light. This is a paint mixer that you can place on the end of your cordless drill. And you can use this inside the pumpkin now and take it around the perimeter of the pumpkin to quickly clean off the inside of it to get it nice and smooth. Now this is not going to avoid you putting your hand in there to pull all that out, but this is a lot faster than just using your hand. Pull that out, hand inside there. Look at all those good pumpkin seeds. Place them in a bucket or a bowl, whatever it might be, and it makes really quick work of clearing out a pumpkin for decorating this holiday season. If there's anything else we can help you with, another video you'd like us to show you, some tips you can provide, we can provide you with to make your life a little easier, just leave a comment on the bottom of this video. Ace is the pumpkin place.